If you're in a dinner rut, open up your pantry. You have everything to make pasta puttanesca. There are lots of myths of how this pasta got its name. Might have a little bit of a bad rap because puttanesca means prostitute. You can use canned tomatoes and chop them or crush them yourselves. I've got some really pretty ripe fresh tomatoes. Let's get cooking. The whole thing comes together in the time it takes to cook your spaghetti. You can use any kind of pasta that you want for this. I just like spaghetti because I feel like it's classic. Just heat up a skillet and add in your olive oil. It's a good amount. You're basically gonna cover the bottom of the skillet. I'm gonna flavor up the oil first with a little bit of garlic. Just kind of let that steep in there. In goes the anchovy. This is key. Don't be scared of it. This melts into the oil and just creates a briny saltiness. Add in my capers, some tomato paste. Give that a stir. Now in with the tomatoes. Oh yeah, look at all that flavor. Go ahead in with the olives and some crushed red pepper to kick it up. That's how easy it is. I told you it was fast too. This makes a great, just kind of meatless Monday type of meal. But to me, it's kind of an elegant dish that you could also make alongside of a grilled steak or chicken. Yum, look at that. Let's dish it up. Smells so good. Just to freshen it up, I like to add a little bit of chopped Italian parsley. You could also do basil. Pour me some Pinot Grigio, because this is the perfect Italian feast. There's just so many perfect bites going on here. So good. This is just what I wanted. The flavor literally just burst in your mouth. Those tomatoes are so juicy. You get that little salty bite of olive and caper. A little freshness from the parsley. It's not just for garnish. If you've never had this before, you definitely want to give this recipe a try. Trust me, this is pasta puttanesca perfection. And it's a classic.